Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Shankaroli. Today I am going to perform volcano erupt experiment through 3D animation. Are you ready for science explosive fun? Let's get started the video. First of all, we must take the following materials to perform this experiment. Let's make an erupting volcano for the science fair. Take an empty cardboard box. Place an empty bottle in the middle of the box. Fix the bottle with glue so that the bottle gets fixed. Now place the funnel over the neck of the bottle. Add baking soda into the bottle over the funnel. Now spread some newspaper pieces around the bottle with just head keep open. Take a masking tape and stick it around the newspaper. Now place a clay around the newspaper to look like a mound. Take some vinegar in the flask and add some food color in the vinegar. Pour the solution into the opening of volcanic mountain. Now see the volcano erupting lava. Here, chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates carbon dioxide gas. There is no enough space in the bottle for the gas to spit out, so it releases through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption.